Hello grade 7s, so today we're going to discuss the income and the expenses of a business. So if we look at the income or the revenue that the business receives, the income refers to the money that a business receives. So it is all the money that is coming into the business. The business can receive the income in different ways. So the first thing we're going to look at is the rental income. So it is the buildings or the parts that they rent out to other people. Then we get our interest income. So the interest is earned on the bank accounts or the investments. Then we get royalties. So this is payments for the rights to use the intellectual properties of the business. So this can be such as music or writing. So if you have a music company or you have a production company, you are making music and you are putting it out. So you have copyright on that music. So if somebody else wants to use that, they pay you in royalties to use your music. So that is what that means. Then we have sales. So sales is all the sales of the goods. We have commission income, so that is selling someone else's goods. And then we have current income or service renderant. So this is delivery of services. And then we get our dividends, so that is return on shares owned by the businesses in other businesses. So if we look at the type of expenses incurred by the businesses, business expenses refers to all the expenses incurred by the business in their daily operations. Spending of different businesses differs depending on the size and the type of the business. So examples of expenses. So we have capital expenditure. So this is the cost of the starting of a business. Then we have interest expenses. So this is the cost of borrowing money from the bank or from a financial institute. Cost of sales. So this is the cost of the goods that is sold. Rental expenses. So it is payments of the building or office space that can be rented. Wages and salaries. So this is the cost of the labor. So if you are the owner of the business, you must pay your employees. So that is the wages or the salaries. Then we get stationery. So stationery is the pens and the pencils, the roll down paper, the invoice books. That is stationery. So the telephone bills can be your airtime that you bought or data that you bought. But remember, this is for the business, not for your personal use. Have fuel or diesel. So this is the payment of the petrol or the diesel fuel. Then we have the delivery cost. So that is the goods to be delivered. So payments for goods to be delivered.